Hey, welcome back to Mama Jasmine's Food Journey. Now today we're actually going to do a food review of one of the local eateries here. It is Bo's Boys Barbecue. Now this actually caught my interest on Facebook. I started seeing pictures of the menu and of the cooking process and I fell in love. I am a sucker for pit barbecue. So once I saw that this was a thing and close by to me, I had to go. So we're going to go ahead and get started on this video. Go ahead and get tightened on it.
Alright, I got you. Oh, that is. Ooh. Damn.
So how we started that shit, this was actually our first grill right here. This was actually our first grill. This the baby. As you see, it's one level. You know, so we were cooking everything on this. And again, we were blessed enough, but we was able to purchase that one earlier this year. And as you can see, that holds about 5 times more meat than this one.
Right, exactly. And was this custom made?
It was, but not for us. So, you know, we bought it as is. The guy we actually bought this from is an older gentleman. He cooked on it for 20 plus years.
Oh, wow. So this has, like, blessings behind it.
Oh, yes.
I love
and so
that.
we found it. We actually found the guy on Craigslist. It was out in the country, out past Harmony, and I don't know if you know what that is. It's past St. Cloud.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was a little bit past Harmony. We found him out there, and that's where we got this one. The other one we actually bought from so again, it was made for him.
But it was technically made for you. You just don't know yet. It was already for sold.
Yeah. All right. So here, what you're seeing right now is the final stage of the brisket. Start over this thing. That smoked brisket. See it?
Go ahead and you get it close.
Get it close up?
Yeah.
Sure.
Get tied in on it.
Oh yeah, that is good.
Got that nice bark on it, see?
Yes, it does.
Uh-huh. So basically, you know, we start here on the grill. Loading up raw meat. When we start in the morning, you see all the racks are full. All the racks, they're full of ribs usually. And we cook here, we wrap it up, and it's ready to serve. The same thing with as far as the pork and the brisket. With pork, we're running out of. That is the last brisket, so y'all kind of caught us toward the end a little bit. You know, it's a nice day, but that's a good thing. It's a nice day.
Exactly.
It's a nice day.
One of the things that caught my attention on your page is that I saw that you use pit smokers, and not a lot of people here use pit smokers and really get to like be intimate with the meat and be intimate with your crowd. So I wanted to say that's what caught my eye. So I'm really looking forward to trying your meat. So far we have brisket still left?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
I still have all the meats left.
Oh my
Yeah,
God. Sorry, I almost had my heart broken a little bit. I was like, I came too late.
No. I still got a little bit of everything left. You know, we're just getting toward the end.
We tearing it up.
Tearing it up?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. I want to say thank you so much for your time and allowing us to come out here.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm so excited to eat your food.
Yes, yes. Well, you know if you want to order?
Oh my God, yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much.
No problem. Hope y'all enjoy. If you need any utensils or anything?
Oh yeah. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah. Hope y'all enjoy it.
Thanks a lot.
If you get a chance, I want y'all to come back, but come a little earlier so y'all can see my ribs on the grill.
Oh, sounds great.
Yeah, so you can see them on the grill since you can trust me.
Oh, don't tell me that. I want to lift your whole grill up. Oh my God, yeah, this smells so good. Like I'm. Alright, now that we saw how the cooking process was and how amazing that crew was, we're going to go ahead and dig in. So, I'm going to get started on the brisket. I'm going to try it with, course I have plastic in it. I'm gonna try it with a little bit of the mustard sauce and a little bit of the sweet sauce. Oh my god. So that smoke is really coming through. And like the rub that they do is a little different. It's more of real salty. Now it's like super salty, but salty and just really hickory and flavorful. Oh my god, so this is gonna go really great with the sweet barbecue. God. Sorry. It's just so good. Oh my god. Imagine the two of these with this on a sandwich. It's phenomenal. I'm gonna go ahead and try it with the mustard. Oh my god. So give me a moment. Oh my god. Sorry, sweet sauce. You're delicious, but the mustard with this, oh my god. This, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm gonna do another one. Oh my god, mustard sauce. I was like when I was like suck this down. Alright, now that we've tried this one, we're gonna go ahead and go to the rib. I don't know if you guys can see this. Well, you can see this. You know, if ribs fall apart like that, they've been smoked good. I need you to leave me alone for a second, okay? It's just too good. No. I want all the ribs. I want all the ribs. Oh my goodness. Alright. So now we've got 2 bites. I'm gonna try the hot sauce with this one and the original. We'll try the original first. Oh, it's not doing to me. This is so good. Oh shit. It's so good. Not very spicy. Alright. Oh my god. I can't finish the rest of this right now on camera because it's gonna get real ugly and y'all might watch me clean the bones. We're gonna jump into the mac and cheese. I quit. Oh my god. So, you watch the channel, right? Yeah, of course you do. That's why you're here. So, I love pepper. Cooking with pepper, especially ground pepper. This is hitting the mark. I'm getting that cheesiness, the peppering. It's baked. Mac and cheese is one of my favorite foods. So, you're going to need to leave me alone for a second again. I can't wait for Lamar to try this. So we're actually going to have lunch now. So you stick around for my next video. It's going to pop up here. But in the meantime, go to Bo's Barbecue. They're not disappointing. And when I went there to visit, there wasn't much of a crowd. So after 1:30 is the perfect time to go if you're not into the middle of a crowd. But if not, get there super early so you're still smelling everything smoking. Alright? I'll see you next video. Bye! Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you haven't seen the previous video, go ahead and click on the box next to me. If you haven't already subscribed and this is your first time to the channel, the little logo down there, you go ahead and click on that and you're a part of the team. Now, see you in the next video. Bye!